is Mwebaza High School end of term 2 examination physics paper 1, and that was the duration. So the instructions were you had to attempt 2 questions only, and the accurate diagrams were to earn marks. So this is item 1, and if you feel like I'm very fast, so can tap in the screen, you pause and write that question. Else, if you are still having the question paper, you can come with your question paper, get a book and a pen. We continue. So that is item 1. That is the scenario, and that is the task. For item 1, that is the task. Said if you feel like I'm moving very fast, you can pause, tap in the middle of the video and pause and write. That was item 1. Then item 2 is the one for pressure. So they're saying a businessman wanted to construct a flat building of 3 floors from his savings. However, due to the limited funds, he decided to construct the ground and first floors as he saves money to add on other floors with time. He then installed an overhead tank to supply water to the people in the rooms. After some time, the businessman, blah, 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 up to the end. Then they wanted you to help this man because water could not reach people in the upper rooms. Okay, now let's get into the solutions and we see. Okay, so these are the solutions. 1, you are asked to give suggestion of the machine to be elected in order to save people's lives. And the suggestion was one could elect a wheel and axle system on top of the well, and then they can draw water without risks of losing life. That is the diagram which we needed. This is the wheel. We are having a wheel there. We are having a wheel. Then also we are having the axle. Then the load is going to be in the middle. That is the diagram I wanted. Then the steps for designing this, those are the steps. 1, you get a wheel, a bicycle wheel, then attach it to a cylindrical bar, whether wooden or metallic. You get a rope, you connect it to that bar, then you get the rod, put it in the middle, and the system is then firmly elected with poles connected. When you go to mechanical advantage, that is the number of times a simple machine multiplies its effect to overcome the load. Then velocity ratio is the distance moved by the effort divided by the distance moved by the load in the same time. Therefore, efficiency, that is just the comparison of energy output to energy input of the machine. And the different formulas for the stated machine are given down there. The mechanical advantage is equivalent to load over effort, and the velocity ratio is equivalent to capital R over small r. Then that capital R is the radius of the other bicycle wheel, yet this small r is the one for the metallic or wooden bar or the axle. Okay, people, from our question, we can easily see that the load equals to 60 newtons, and the effort, if you read properly, equals to 20 newtons. Now, if you read the question, they are saying that the velocity ratio is going to be 5, and they are asking for efficiency, which we don't know, isn't it? But we know that from efficiency equals to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100%. That's the formula we are going to use. I know everyone knows that, but we don't know mechanical advantage. We don't know mechanical what? Advantage. That is very easy. We can find mechanical advantage. We say from mechanical advantage equals to load over effort. We can get our mechanical advantage as 60 over 20. So this one is Newton. So the SI units are going to cancel, and we are going to have mechanical advantage is equivalent to 3. It is going to be unitless because we are having newtons which are going to cancel with the newtons which are in the denominator. So that is our mechanical what? Advantage. Now let us look at efficiency from the formula. We say we can say now efficiency, can use that formula. If you don't have time to write the whole word, efficiency will be mechanical advantage from this formula that we stated. That is the formula. Mechanical advantage is going to be 3 over velocity ratio, which is going to be 5, just like we stated there, and we multiply with the 100, but it's going to be in percentages. Mechanical advantage is now equivalent to, if you divide using your calculator, I am using mine here, and I'm getting mechanical advantage, efficiency, it is efficiency. I'm getting efficiency as 60%. That is our efficiency, 60% as the efficiency. Okay, saagala nzije ate bantu batandike kwebuzaabuza. That is the solution. So everyone should look at the solution, read through and understand. Remember, energy losses are due to friction. We wanted to reduce energy losses, and in order to reduce friction, we need to lubricate the machine. That this is item 2 of your paper. Then this guy wanted help. Now, if the tank is pressed on the ground floor of the flat house, water may fail to reach the upper rooms due to 1, gravity. So water flows downwards due to gravity. That is naturally. So in order for you to get proper supply of water, it's better you uplift the tank. Then we are having gravity, we are having pressure, we are having head losses, we are having pipe size and the material of the pipe that you are using. There are some materials which are having a lot of friction. Then you are using pipes with the small radius or with small diameter. Also, all those matters. Then lack of pumping system, also that one can affect you. Then the solutions are also given down there. Okay, thank you so much for watching.